In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find working Wayfair discount codes for 2025. Everyone loves a good discount, right? Especially when it comes to sprucing up your home with some fabulous items from Wayfair. So, let's dive right into how you can make your shopping experience more affordable without breaking a sweat. First things first, you'll want to head over to a website called couponfollow.com. It's a fantastic resource dedicated to helping shoppers like you find the best deals and valid discount codes for a multitude of retailers, including Wayfair. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and type in the address. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a clean and straightforward homepage, which is perfect because it makes navigating through the site a breeze. Next, look for the search bar. It should be prominently highlighted on the homepage, usually at the top or center of the page. You can't miss it. This search bar is your gateway to the treasure trove of discounts. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Wayfair. As you type, you might notice a drop-down menu with suggestions appearing below. This is just to make your search quicker and more efficient. Once you've typed in Wayfair, the next step is simply to hit enter or click the search icon. This action will redirect you to a new page that lists various Wayfair-related deals and discounts available on CouponFollow. Remember, this page is constantly updated, so you might want to check back often for newly added deals. When the page opens, you'll see a list of available discount codes and offers for Wayfair. These can range from percentage off your total order to special deals on shipping. Take a minute to scroll through and see what's available. Make sure to read the details under each offer to understand the requirements or conditions that might apply. This way, you'll know exactly what you're getting and how to maximize your discount. Once you've decided which coupon code you want to use, click on it. By doing so, you'll typically be shown a Show Coupon Code button. Click this to reveal the code and be sure to note it down or copy it. It's this string of letters and numbers that you're going to enter during the checkout process on the Wayfair site. And there you have it. You've successfully found a working Wayfair discount code using CouponFollow. In just a few minutes, you can potentially save quite a bit on your next Wayfair purchase. Keep these tips in mind as you continue to shop online, and you'll never have to pay full price again. Happy shopping and enjoy those savings.